Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at the Tractor Supply Store to do a store walkthrough. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. This outdoor cultivar 2x6 elevated planter is $300. And it is huge. It is a 31 in width by 69 3/4 in length and 32.5 in height. Yes, really huge. And it's in the color black. Okay. This walk-in greenhouse is $50. The 6-pattern gear drive sprinkler with extendable tripod. Ooh, up to 39 inches. Okay, so it has 6 different patterns, which is mini, large, flat, fan, jet, and full for $30. The red shed planters, they are 20% off. Okay. $19.99, and the smaller ones are $14.99. Duracell LED headlamp, 200 lumens. How much are they? They're $15. No, actually guys, they're $9.99. They're on sale for $9.99 with the batteries included. LED flashlight, 150 lumens. It is it on sale too? Yeah, it's $9.99. We also have this one. This is the LED flashlight and headlamp, 250 lumens and 200 lumens. Okay, for $9.99 with the batteries. Great find and great deal. Duracell, you know it's gonna last forever. So that is great. Starter poultry kit is $39.99. Save $10 with the purchase of 8 birds. Okay. Alrighty, this light duty single automatic gate opener, it is $300. It says it is easy to install, smooth, fast, quick open and close. Okay, they also have the medium duty in the single for $400, and they have the heavy duty single for $520. They all can be used with your smartphone. Okay, this one doesn't say the smartphone, but the medium duty and the heavy duty, you can use it with your smartphone. This wireless connectivity system is $130. Okay. And here, well, how cute is this? Oh, let's see. It is a metal with iron side table for $60. Okay. It is cute as a button. Yes, it is. 15% off of Red Shed Yard Decor, guys. So yes, this is an iron with cocoa liner planter for $25 with the little wheel on it. Isn't it cute? Oh yes. And with 15% extra off, you can't beat it. Wow, look at this baby. So this is a watering can planter for $30. Isn't it cute? That is so cute, guys. Oh my goodness, and it is huge. Oh, love that. Okay, we have this 3-pot metal tray set here for $25. Another great find here. Oh my goodness, I love this. Isn't this nice? Forgive me the way I'm holding my camera, guys, because I only have 2 hands. Okay, this cute little blue pot planter here. It is the metal urn planter for $19. Ooh, I like this store because they have such unique finds. You're not going to find what they have everywhere you go. So that's a plus shopping here at the Tractor Supply Store. metal lantern with the cocoa liner planter for $20. How neat is that? That is just so neat. Only $19, guys. Only $20. And this one here, the red cocoa liner hanger planter, is $20 as well. These are a 2-tier planter stand for $40. Now let me tell you, that's not a bad deal at all for that. It is so beautiful. 2-tier. Okay. This beautiful iron swing is $250. It is called the Rustic Vintage Classic Black Mesh Double Glider. Yes, 15% off of this. Oh my goodness, look at these roosters. Ooh-wee. My goodness. Now these are huge, guys. For $200, it's the big red, white, and blue rooster. Durable metal construction, weather resistant. Okay, look at the feet. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Ooh-wee. These need to be on somebody's farm. So cute. Okay, this cute little rocker chair here. I love this color. It is the retro rocking chair for $130, and then you get 15% off. Okay. This is a wooden bench here for $200. It's called the Windsor bench. Okay, durable frame for stability and comfort. Weather resistant, power coated frame, easy to assemble. Also available boxed as a store associate for details. Yeah, really wide. Oh my word, look at this, how cute. This is a mug, it is just $12.99. It's so cute. And look at this, oh my word. This is called Resin Mama Duck for $18. I like it. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my goodness, I can't get through this video. It is just too adorable up in here. So this is a metal lamp for $30. How adorable is that? The cutest thing ever. Alrighty, so we have this 3-tier planter here. It is called the large metal tier planter for $80. Okay. This ice bucket next to it is, no, it's a rectangular planter. It is $50. You know, I'll use it for an ice bucket too, though. Okay, here's a smaller 3-tier planter here for $60. It's a wooden rocking chair. And let me tell you, this is gonna last for a lifetime. It is well made and really good wood. Let's see if I can find the price. It is called the Stain Logged Rocker for $140. And it's worth every penny, guys. And then you get 15% off. Win-win on that one. Ooh, look at these. How cute. Oh my word. This is a rooster head tail planter for $18. You have the chicken bucket planter right there for $16. Oh my goodness. How cute. So this little chick is $25. It's a metal chick planter. Let's see here. Okay, here we go. How cute is that? I am not an impulse buyer, guys, but oh my goodness, I'm getting close to purchasing that. Oh, how cute. Total vegetable control kills weeds and prevent weeds up to a year. What? For $180. So it says use on fence rows and around farm buildings and barns. Do not apply in root zone of desired trees, plants, or shrubs. Here's another grass weed killer for $70. This blue ceramic crock is $25. Guys, I've been working in the yard and I got that little spot on my hand, even with gloves on. I've been working hard. Okay. Okay, this floral spoon rest is $8. Ooh, look at this wall hanging trivet is $15. Nice. This cowbell, $18. And this welcome to our funny farm sign is only $10. And this one, it says welcome, it's a vertical kitchen sign, is $20. Alrighty, so we have more cute little items over here. Remember, all red shed decor is 15% off. This one says fresh eggs from spoiled hens. Love your flock. And they're $19.99. Don't mess with mama. $13. And this rooster, this cast iron rooster bell, it is $18. Now, how cute is this ceramic egg tray? It is $13. Hand wash only, guys, not dishwasher safe, not microwave safe either. Okay. This little hand box, cast iron hand box, $10. Oh my goodness. Oh, how cute. $25 for this chicken bite planter, $25. Oh my goodness, guys. I need to find a little place for that one and the chick. Alrighty. This two-seater here is $200. It is a metal shell double glider. Okay. I like a good glider. Yes. And then we have these. Are these? So this is a 2-tier cart planter stand for $100. And they have these metal tables, which is just so cute that, you know, matches their decor for $80. It is called the metal folding table. Yes. So they have this beautiful blue, green, and black that matches all of their decor here. Okay. Thank you, hon. Here it goes, the cooler. This is an 80-quart patio cooler for $200. Yes. Okay. And yeah, that blue matches that table and so on. Like this light, this solar light here. Another great find. This one is $20. That's a great deal. That's not a bad deal at all, guys. Well, I'm telling you, I just can't hardly get out of here. Pit Boss 5.0 wood fire vertical PEL. What does that mean? PEL. Okay, so it is $500. And then they have this one. Is this the same one out of the box? I think it is. Okay. This beautiful grill. Oh my goodness. It is super nice. It is $530. Even even ember 6 burner gas grill. Okay, and you can also get the warranty, like the 2-year warranty would be $150, or the 1-year warranty would be $110. Okay. You also have this black one, but I do not see the tag on this one. But yeah, this is nice. It says 8-in-1 cooking. You can smoke with it, barbecue, bake, roast, braise, sear, grill, and flame broil. Very sturdy too. Oh yes. This TSC barbecue grilling pellets 40-pound bag, 2 for $20. Okay, so here are all the grills that they have, the smoker, the grills, and all that good stuff. So yes, here's a better picture of, the ones that they carry. Okay, so the one to the left is the Louisiana Grills Black Label 4 Series Wood Pellet Smoker. Kenmore Gas 4 burner grill with searing side burner. Number 3 is the Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill. And number 4 is the new one to TSC, which is the Oklahoma Joe Longhorn Combination Grill. Shop now, pay later using Klarna. Okay, well that's good. Electric powered pressure washer. It is the Simpson 1700 PSI for $140. They also have the 2300 PSI for $300. Okay, so this professional pressure washer high pressure foam cannon for soap application on your cars, siding, boats, RVs, and UTVs, and more for $40. Okay, they have this 15-inch surface cleaner also for $85. Okay, I purchased one from Amazon, and I'll show you guys the one that I purchased. And it's cheaper than this one. I think it's 14 inches, but it's only 1 inch smaller, a good bit cheaper. So I'll leave the link in the description to the one that I purchased. Hi friends, this is the one that I purchased from Amazon. It was only $62. It comes in silver, blue, and green. It also goes up to a size 30. So I'll leave the link in the description if you want to purchase it from Amazon. Thank you all so much. And I'm not sure which video is gonna go up first, guys, but I'll do a video on the fruit trees, the roses, and a few more things in the garden section. So look at that video too when you get a chance. I think that is it here at the Tractor Supply Store. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all in the next one.